driving their little digger trucks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All 5 of them. That's a lot of rubbish on the ocean floor for the shark family to clean up. Watch out, Finn! That's Mummy Shark. She's taking a truckload of rubbish back to the recycling plant so it can be recycled into new things. That helps to keep the ocean clean. How many digger trucks now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digger trucks. That's little baby Grub. He might be small, but he's still super keen to help clean up the ocean, though he is easily distracted. How many digger trucks now? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 3 digger trucks. Finn and Shelley like to prank each other, like all brothers and sisters. Looks like Shelley won this time. Careful, Shelley, that's a lot of rubbish. Nice one, Tucker Turtle. Thanks for the help. Now how many digger trucks are there? 1, 2, just 2 digger trucks. There's still plenty of rubbish to be cleaned up. Go on, Finn. Look at all those pretty angelfish. How many digger trucks are left? 1. Just 1 digger truck left. That's Daddy Shark. He'll clean up the last of the rubbish and make sure the ocean is clean. Now it's clean, all the sea life can play safely again. This is what the shark family do with all that rubbish. They take it to the plant, where it's safely processed and made into new things. That's recycling.